All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're going to be looking at our AI Media Studio website. We are live and up and running, so let's go ahead and get that pulled up so I can show you exactly what we're working with and what it looks like. So we're going to go here to our favorites. I do have it stored in my favorites tab, so I don't have to keep typing it in. We just got to get it pulled up. And again, this is going to be our live website here. As you can see, once it does load up, exactly what we're working with and what it looks like from a live perspective. Pretty much the same thing as our local perspective. See AI Media Studio trademark TM. This is our live URL right here. If you want to copy it, I'll actually put it in description also, so you don't have to worry about copying it. Let's just go through everything to see. First, we go through our services, show you the entire services. Everything is still the same. Everything is still functioning the way it should be. Here's our pricing. Here's our about us. And as you can see on all of the AI Media Studio, everything is trademarked now and everything is configured the way it's supposed to. Let's go to our contact. Let's go to our reviews. And then again, you should know what's going on with the review situation. If you don't know what I'm speaking about, you can actually go back to the previous videos and find out what's going on with that. I'm not going to take the time to explain it here. I want to focus on the try free demo. So let's get that pulled up. Now again, these are our demos that'll be generated when you click on the try free demo. And these 6 videos here are pulled directly from my YouTube playlist where I keep my generated images and videos stored. So yeah, once this get loaded up, I'll actually go through all 6 of them to show you that everything is working the way it's supposed to. And also, the website is configured to play on, or the website is actually configured to work seamlessly on PCs, laptops, and cellular devices. So you don't have to worry about whatever device you're using. Everything should play smoothly the way it's supposed to. Let's get the videos going. This is going to be our first one we're playing. And again, you can see this is coming directly from my YouTube channel here, Python Papi, YouTube, TikTok. Come find out. So as soon as this first one gets loaded up, it'll play. Here's the second demo. Here's the next one. Here's the next one. The next one. And finally, watching the moves playing it close. SOD, super soul. Rainy days, his and hers, matching coat. Just so big, feel like a boat, stay afloat. I'm watching the move. And that was all of our demos. Now, when we actually click on the services or any other link to the headers and we go back to our homepage, you can see the homepage is restart and the demos aren't just stationed there. So you have to keep opening it, which is a good thing. You don't want the demos just sitting on the page once you go through them. Everything can be reset. And also, I didn't explain to you earlier, you can see we do have a hover effect. When we hover over our header labels, they actually do a glow, letting you know that we are hovering over them and they're ready to be clicked. So that was it right there. Like I said, we are live, AI Media Studio, TM, and I do have the link right here, and I'll put the link in the description also of the video. But yep, come pay us a visit and have a look around. And I'll keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.